lion face. So you realize them a Lucifer. I coulda with them war rise get suffer. Killer face, kill them soon. Morning, night.
Chicago, it's here. What you have been waiting for. One hour wait upon. It's all about New York Fashion present the Memorial Day Extravaganza. Right inside the place we call Kinnikitic Playground, 1113 West Lawrence Avenue. Featuring South Florida's maestro, Lion Face from Killer Face Sound Station, alongside King Tubby's and the Showtime crew. When is this event? Happens to be Sunday, May 29th, 2K11th. As I say, it's a Memorial Day Extravaganza all the way from Florida. South Florida's maestro, Lion Face from Killer Face Sound Station, alongside King Tubby's and the Showtime family. The place to be is all about Kinnikitic Playground, 1113 West Lawrence Avenue. Doors open at 10 p.m., close till 4 o'clock in the morning. Make sure so everybody come out, you know. And me, Lion Face attack. A long time when I reach at Chicago, and trust me, you see, come the 29th of May, that Sunday, Kinnikitic Playground no good again.
What have we run? Can't step out, we no shoes to no ground. Better what for the outcome. Kill them soon.